Before you scroll, what if I told you the reason your hair isn't growing has nothing to do with your genetics or the products you're buying? Most people never realize this, and it's keeping their hair short, thin, and constantly breaking. In today's video, I'll show you a powerful natural remedy that could change your hair journey. Hi, I'm Jerusha. If you're new here, welcome, and to my amazing subscribers, thank you for being here. On this channel, we share powerful natural hair growth remedies, healthy hair care tips, and DIY recipes to help you achieve longer, thicker, healthier hair naturally. In today's video, we're making a potent onion hairspray and a powerful herbal hair oil. They can help you grow longer, thicker, healthier looking hair. I'll show you exactly how to make. I'm starting with fresh onion because it's naturally rich in sulfur. Sulfur is one of the building blocks of keratin, the protein your hair is made of. It helps support stronger strands and can reduce excessive shedding. Next is garlic. Garlic contains sulfur, selenium, and antioxidants that nourish the scalp and help create a healthier environment for hair growth. Fresh ginger is one of my favorite ingredients. It helps improve scalp circulation. This allows nutrients to reach the hair follicles more effectively. I'm lightly crushing my cloves and cinnamon sticks. Cloves are packed with antioxidants, while cinnamon supports healthy scalp circulation. Crushing them helps release more of their natural compounds. Rosemary has become one of the most popular herbs for healthy hair because it supports scalp circulation and helps maintain thicker, healthier-looking hair. Now I'm combining the onion, garlic, ginger, crushed cinnamon, cloves, and rosemary to make my herbal hairspray. Now let's make the oil that works perfectly with the spray. I'm grating another fresh onion for the oil, so its beneficial compounds slowly infuse into the carrier oils. Next, I add grated ginger and fresh aloe vera. Ginger supports scalp circulation, while aloe vera helps soothe and moisturize the scalp. I'm crushing more cinnamon and cloves before adding them. This helps release their natural oils into the infusion. I'm pouring in olive oil and coconut oil. Olive oil softens the hair and helps reduce friction during washing, while coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft and helps reduce protein loss. I'm doing this due to the water content in our herbs so that it won't go bad after a few days. To finish, I'm adding vitamin E oil to help nourish the hair and support the oil's freshness, along with a few drops of rosemary and peppermint essential oils to give this blend an extra scalp-loving boost. Before shampooing, I spray my scalp section by section and gently massage for about 5 minutes. Then I apply the herbal oil from my scalp to the ends of my hair, making sure every strand is coated. I cover my hair with a shower cap and leave everything on for at least 30 minutes before wash day. After that, I shampoo my hair thoroughly and always finish with a moisturizing deep conditioner. Since some of the ingredients can feel drying for some hair types, deep conditioning helps restore softness, moisture. Used consistently, this pre-poo routine helps reduce breakage, supports a healthy scalp, improves moisture retention, and leaves my hair feeling softer, stronger, and easier to manage. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment wow if you're gonna try this hair growth spray.